Hello everyone, welcome to Jano TV. First question, what is the capital of India? A. Delhi, B. Mumbai, C. Chennai, D. Kolkata. The correct answer is option A. Delhi. Next question, which planet is known as the red planet? A. Jupiter, B. Mars, C. Venus, D. Saturn. The correct answer is option B. Mars. Next question. Who wrote the Indian National Anthem? A. Rabindranath Tagore, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Mahatma Gandhi, D. Sardar Patel. The correct answer is option A. Rabindranath Tagore. Next question. What is the largest mammal in the world? A. Elephant, B. Blue whale, C. Giraffe, D. Hippopotamus. The correct answer is option B. Blue whale. Next question. In which year did Christopher Columbus discover America? A. 1492, B. 1500, C. 1607, D. 1776. The correct answer is option A. 1492. Next question. Who is known as the father of the Indian Constitution? A. Sardar Patel, B. Mahatma Gandhi, C. B.R. Ambedkar, D. Jawaharlal Nehru. The correct answer is option C. B.R. Ambedkar. Next question. Which gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere? A. Oxygen, B. Carbon dioxide, C. Hydrogen, D. Nitrogen. The correct answer is option B. Carbon dioxide. Next question. What is the largest planet in our solar system? A. Earth, B. Mars, C. Jupiter, D. Saturn. The correct answer is option C. Jupiter. Next question. What is the currency of Japan? A. Yen, B. Won, C. Baht, D. Rupee. The correct answer is option A. Yen. Next question. Which gas is responsible for the green color of leaves? A. Oxygen, B. Hydrogen, C. Chlorophyll, D. Carbon dioxide. The correct answer is option C. Chlorophyll. Next question. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? A. Sonia Gandhi, B. Indira Gandhi, C. Margaret Thatcher, D. Benazir Bhutto. The correct answer is option B. Indira Gandhi. Next question. What is the largest ocean in the world? A. Atlantic Ocean, B. Indian Ocean, C. Pacific Ocean, D. Arctic Ocean. The correct answer is option C. Pacific Ocean. Next question. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? A. Cheetah, B. Tiger, C. Lion, D. Leopard. The correct answer is option C. Lion. Next question. What is the smallest planet in our solar system? A. Mars, B. Venus, C. Mercury, D. Earth. The correct answer is option C. Mercury. Next question. Which gas do plants release during the photosynthesis? A. Oxygen, B. Carbon dioxide, C. Nitrogen, D. Hydrogen. The correct answer is option A. Oxygen. Next question. Which gas makes up the majority of Earth's atmosphere? A. Oxygen, B. Carbon dioxide, C. Nitrogen, D. Hydrogen. The correct answer is option C. Nitrogen. Next question. What is the currency of the United Kingdom? A. Euro, B. Pound sterling, C. Dollar, D. Yen. The correct answer is option B. Pound sterling. Next question. What is the largest organ in the human body? A. Heart, B. Brain, C. Skin, D. Liver. The correct answer is option C. Skin. Next question. In which country is the Great Wall of China located? A. Japan, B. China, C. India, D. South Korea. The correct answer is option B. China. Next question. What is the chemical symbol for cold? A. GO, B. GD, C. AU, D. AG. The correct answer is option C. AU. Last question. Who is considered the father of the nation in India? A. Subhash Chandra Bose, B. Bhagat Singh, C. Mahatma Gandhi, D. Jawaharlal Nehru. The correct answer is option C. Mahatma Gandhi. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.